Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers. The role is software engineer. So without wasting our time, let's move to the hiring. First we have from Oracle. The role is software developer 1. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. Let's talk about the job description. Design, develop, troubleshoot and debug software programs for database application tools, networks and etc. And here are the responsibility. You can read this about the Oracle, and here is the role will be mid-senior level, and job function engineering and information technology, industry, IT service and IT consulting. So are you interested for this role? You get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Next we have from Adobe. The role is software development engineer. The location will be Noida, and here is about the company. You can read this. Let's talk about what you will do. You have to build front-end, back-end component with modern tools and work with highly scalable distributed system, and you have to participating in all aspects of software development activities, handling non-functional recruitments and many more. You can read this all. And let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Bachelor degree in computer science or computer engineering, 2 to 5 years of programming experience with React.js, Java technologies, and good knowledge of OOP, object oriented programming, and you have to familiar with different designs and architecture, and you have a strong analytical problem solving skills and many more. You can read this all. This is for entry level, and you can read this all. You get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Next we have from Mitrah Soft Solution Private Limited. The role will be software developer. This for freshers. Location is Madurai. You have to drop your resume to Mitrah Soft, and here is the qualifications. BE, BTech, CSE, IT, ECE branch is welcome to apply, and MSc, CSIT branch are welcome to apply, and MCA students are also welcome to apply for this role. Pass out year 2022, 23, 24. Eligibility criteria 65% and above in 10th, 12th UG, PG degree are compulsory. If you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Bye bye. Best of luck for your job journey.